In this tutorial, I'll explain how to remove a directory using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. So in this tutorial, I will show you an example, and this example is based on the directory that you can see on my desktop on my computer. This directory is called new directory, and if you open this directory, you can see that within this directory we have stored another subdirectory which is called my subdirectory. Now let's assume that we want to remove this subdirectory from our computer. Then we can apply the code that you can see in lines 5 and 6. So in line 5 of the code, I'm applying the unlink function, and within this function I'm first specifying the path to this subdirectory. So in this case, the subdirectory is stored on the desktop of my computer in a main directory which is called new directory, and the directory itself is called my subdirectory. And then I'm also specifying the recursive argument to be equal to true. So if you run lines 5 and 6 of the code, you can see that our directory has been removed by checking the main directory once again. So as you can see, the new directory is empty at this point of the tutorial. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.